iPhone SE LCD and touchscreen replacement guide.
Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool,
Suction cup,
SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, professional Phillips screwdriver,
professional iPhone pentalobe screwdriver. Power down your Apple iPhone SE smartphone. Eject the nano SIM card tray. Remove the two bottom 3.4mm pentalobe screws located next to the lightning connector. Place a suction cup near the home button. While applying firm, constant force, use the plastic triangle opening tool to work around the display assembly and separate it from the iPhone SE rear case. Just like the iPhone 5S, lurking beneath the iPhone SE display is the Touch ID cable. Do not pull the display up too far without first removing the bracket and disconnecting the cable. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by several cables, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 4 Phillips screws securing the metal bracket to the motherboard. These screws are different sizes, so be sure to remember where they go. Use the fine tip curved tweezers to remove the metal bracket and disconnect the LCD, digitizer, and front camera and proximity sensor cables. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws securing the home button cable and the metal bracket in place. Remove the metal bracket, and then with the tweezers, peel the iPhone SE home button away from the display assembly. Remove the following 7 Phillips screws. With the tweezers, remove the metal clip and then the iPhone SE earpiece speaker. Gently pry the front camera and proximity sensor ribbon cable away from the display assembly. Now, separate the iPhone SE front-facing camera and proximity sensor cable from the LCD shield plate.
Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.